My name is Riley Nicoletti, and for my bio project, I decided to do the damage of invasive species. And invasive species are found all over. As defined by National Geographic, an invasive species is an organism that is not indigenous or native to our particular area. These animals do not seem harmful at first, but they are devastating to their non-native environments. Along with having effects on the environment, they also affect our biodiversity and our economy. These invasive species don't even have to come from another country, just another region. What can be an invasive species? This includes plants and animals, which we most commonly see, and other organisms such as bacteria. We have invasive species even in the Upper Peninsula. Some of these include zebra mussels or sea lamprey. How can they travel? They are spread through human activity, such as boating, shipping, and pets. When you boat, you put your boat in the water, which the plants and animals can get stuck in your propeller or in your live well. When you leave and go to a different body of water, you're bringing them with you. Shipping, bugs or animals can get stuck in other boxes and travel from place to place. And pets, people release their domesticated pets, such as snakes or other animals, into non-native environments and they take over. What makes them invasive and so damaging to the environment? They have many negative effects. I'm going to talk about three of them. These negative effects are created by their ability to grow aggressively and rapidly. Along with that, they are a physical threat to the native animals. They have no natural predator of the area because they are transferring in. Therefore, they are on the top of the food chain. And because of this, they end up eliminating natural species of the area. The first effect is decrease in biodiversity. How? They are a physical threat, like I said. They are a predator, they're at the top of the food chain, and they prey on native species. In this picture is a trout with lamprey attached to it, sucking its blood. This ultimately will cause the fish to die if they stay on there. They also create competition for resources such as food, living space, and water. This will ultimately end up in elimination of a native species. Gauss's law states that no two species that compete for the exact same resources can stably coexist. The second effect, the environmental impact. How? The quality and availability of natural resources decreases because of invasive species. This causes more effects, which we'll get into, on our economy. It also causes water shortages. And to counteract all these negative impacts that the invasive species have, humans tend to use chemicals or other techniques to evict them. This causes more pollution in the water or environment than the invasive species originally had. Economical impact. Over $120 billion are lost in the economy because of invasive species. How? Damage to agricultural crops and animals. Farmers rely on that money from selling those animals and plants to survive. Along with them damaging the money aspect, they also damage the crop itself, which results in food shortages. The second economical impact is tourism. A lot of places, such as here in the UP, rely on tourists as a big part of their financial income. When the environments get invaded with invasive species, no one wants to swim in the lakes or go boating in the lakes. What can we do to help? First step, clean your boats. There's already a program started by the DNR, the Department of Natural Resources, that helps you clean your boats from water to water. Number two, if you go hiking, clean your shoes. You don't want to bring in any plants with you and transfer them into your house or somewhere else. Number three, keep your pets secure. Don't let them out into the native environments. Number four, be clean when traveling or shipping. And number five, volunteer to help clean native areas. These impacts can help be reduced. Native species are going to be around. There's about 50,000 in America. But cleaning your boats, cleaning your shoes can all help degrade that. Thank you.